So right now the municipal office can send in the inspector them to assess the thing and pass it, you know, so we can cast. You see it?
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Alrighty, guys, yeah, so another day again. You know, so we just get some last delivery at the board them. You know, for help for put up the, you know, for prop up the ceiling and thing, you know. So last delivery this we are getting. It's a long and arduous process, guys, but what I have to do, what I have to do. You know.
Lift up.
Or you move like you like someone. Patroen, man.
Get what kind of oil you talk about?
I get old and
watch him, watch him.
I retire early, you know.
I know so rich going to quarry. You say you want to retire early.
Yeah man, that's how I put it down for retirement.
That's how what?
I put it down for retirement. Yeah, everybody can't manage the more than
yeah, bro, eat this cinnamon, you see it?
Yeah, man, thing look good, you know, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so preparation for decking now.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I push
so,
on it, man.
So soon I look for the decking now.
Alright, so as you can see right now, what them are doing, they are put in the beam.
Okay,
so basically all of the beam them gone in so far, right? Adjust the one them up to the building, up to the original existing building.
The two structures them are tied together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they have to knock off a little bit more at the cantilever, you see right there, so?
Oh yeah.
They have to take off a little bit more so that the beam will go up against the building can fit.
Okay.
So like right there, so the beam will come all the way around.
Yeah, so right here you have to cut off. Piece more this.
But probably a foot.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Nice work in progress, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I push on it as fast as we can.
How soon I look on today?
Alright, for decking now. Ever. About when you think that we can. You're gonna finish with the steel work. Yeah. Why next week? Yeah.
Man, play, bro.
Yeah, man, in the ramp, man.
Yeah, man.
So by next week, I look for calling the
premix.
for calling the what you call it, the electrician.
Okay.
I'm calling the electrician.
From the top too, you can see all of the partition them.
Yeah.
You know, the structure. Thing.
Yeah, man.
4 and 5 there.
Yeah.
4 and 5
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, great job so far, man. Thing move at reasonable speed too.
Yeah. So I carry downstairs and show you what I go on. Alright. Yeah,
man. Alright, so
this is so far. So this is like the patio right here, so.
right over here. That place is much bigger, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And that always at me, you know.
Yeah.
And now when you have it and I do the plan, the beer land, if you do the plan.
Yeah, it looks somehow,
you know,
as soon as the structure start move, you see the real deal.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so there you are, you know, energy.
Alright, this is the bathroom. One of the main bathroom.
Okay.
So this one shared with the secondary bedroom and the living area.
Okay.
And this is the bedroom right here, so.
Okay, so and the closet you are on as well. A good design.
Yeah.
Good design.
Yeah, man.
Closet. Nice like a bedroom space.
Yeah.
The roof, the height of the roof.
9 feet.
9 feet. Okay. And the finishing are gonna be like sheetrock.
Yeah, I go put in. Well, I probably not do it for the whole building because you know it's expensive.
Yeah, the expense and yeah.
But me at least do the tray ceiling out here so with some recessed lighting. Again.
Yeah, so these are now you actually rent or you make them first?
Yeah, me rent them, you know.
Okay.
Because
look like them never use.
Never use. So what happened? Yeah, here what happened now? The guy when we rent them from, him basically have to build them up because a whole heap of construction are going on now.
I hear a thing too, so
yeah.
You understand.
A whole heap of construction are going on now, so basically me have to make them up, buy
and make up.
And make them up right on spot.
Yeah.
Exactly. Right now, I want you to mark the level where the roof stop, you know? Yeah, you know where the beam. Because you want, when you fit the beam, you know, make it go over.
Yeah.
Basically.
And the beam now go over, so this is where the concrete supposed to go in the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you mark and chop it out.
Right.
You can't just get a worse on the wall like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you chop it out.
Uh-huh.
So this is the next thing we're going to take up back there. I take up time out of the roof. Yeah. So I take up time again to chop out.
So basically our schedule is good, guys. You know, whenever them kind of job here where, you know, noise generating, you know, probably like uncomfortable for persons that will be on the inside. So whenever we have a little break or say guests are away, we do a thing, you know? Yeah man, so that's how we do it, guys. Yeah, me can't really afford for shut down business for 6 months, you know, while this thing go on. So I have to kind of work smart around the thing, you know. So we schedule up, you know, whenever people in and out to kind of do what I do, so we don't make people uncomfortable, you know. So you have to know I wish part the decking are tie into the building.
Yeah, yes, I'm checked on it. That's the casting can hear if you go in that wall. Yeah.
Okay. So, see them dig out the wall like around, you know? Yeah. This dig out so the concrete, when the slab now come, it just sit right into the space there. It just become one with the existing building, you know? So all of this here are slab off for them scrape off the roof so that the slab just go and just, you know, right in. And this is the beam that they are putting in right now, you know. They set up themselves putting this beam right here. So be careful how we walk on this roof now, guys. You know. As the one that really sit like at home, you know, in a car space, so I walk a specific area on the roof. I was with your poor. That goes straight in. You're full. because of cobweb, eh? Trading starts out here now. You know? Yeah. You see the mark here? That's the spacing for trading them. A 6 inch. You see when them in the market. 6 inch apart. Each of them.
Again, guys, on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Shouting out to all the folks. I hope them taking.
Yep. See Joan there? Yeah. See it. Joan up in the ear a buzz, you know?
Yeah, keep everything active, you know? And shout out to my YouTube fans them from all over the earth.
You see it?
I've gone all over the place.
Hey, you cut that
Guys, around 2 days work this for them, you know. And Saturday, Tuesday. Hey, 2 days this.
I would not think I come here every day. Imagine if I come here every day. Who did they for YouTube? Would I gone already?
Hey. So, yes, how we there now, guys. You know? Yes, how we there. Yes, how we there. Water break here now. The sun dreading now.
No man, ever always a drink water now. For us ever start. I said, brother, no waste it. No waste it. God never start. God send down the sun there now. Cool shade.
Yeah, a little cloud cover the sun now, so it could come more cooler now. Yeah. So what is section lighter now name Everton now do now? Lace it.
Cobweb. That's a
Cobweb. It look like a web, you know? Yeah. So them a lace it now. Then after them lace it, then they put on the over support. You know? Guys, me have probably more than a ton of steel down there right now. And to the one that still up on the roof already, me that thing say
it's done.
Me that thing say it done, you know?
And I like.
But one say yo, the over support another portion of steel. You see me? So yeah man. A whole heap of steel this thing take, man. A whole heap of steel. The roof alone probably say like more than 2 tons of steel. The roof alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And still always take money. Take money off fans. Money count. You can't get out here without the money.
You see it. So you not take your water break?
No, which water break? And I cut more and cut them.
So you cut the two left. Or 2 you have left for cut. Okay.
It's too many steel like it's from corner to corner.
Yeah.
I put that splice it over the beam.
Yeah, because the steel is long enough to go all the way.
Yes, I can slice it inside and make like decking.
Yeah.
Slice it over the beam.
Yeah,
so it's more strong.
More support underneath that.
Get more support.
Oh, big up for the people who comment, read on the comment and see a whole heap of things still and see a whole heap of things. Ever I name, you know, commander
Chief.
So, I'm good, you know, boss. But big up on the support and love the motivation. Motivate other people still and I love telling you out there. Continue to try work hard. As whenever they say, save your money and then put their money in the woman them. You see me? I would like them but we have to make sure say we can have
Everything
the money.
balance.
Yeah. We can keep the life going.
Yeah.
We want to live like ever one day, but I not tell them secrets.
So however I live, tell me.
Accomplishment and the mindset, cause hearing him story not coming from nothing
Yeah.
and make it out. Cause you have others out there, you know, who are work and pushing them best, but if you are pushing your best, you know, not between it, whether that's an accomplishment or no, thing sure say yeah, you have something you accomplish, and him accomplish, enough people have the money out there and accomplish nothing.
True.
So, as ever as a boss, him sure you say, oh, you have to put on your money and spend wisely. If you pinch it like a crackers, cause you don't know. You know, every day you can't
eat it off one time.
So, you have to know how to survive to make it. Another word.
For real.
But differently due to I'm a boss still, you know, but it get too much trouble when you make me have to be in trouble. You
I want to do the right thing.
But you know, to age I'm lying, age I'm defending him, you know. So, anything possible.
Oh, me just like come off head pill and son.
No.
Where you say what go?
One they come off head pill them.
The one involved at the pay level.
No man, they pill them.
Oh, the pill.
Pill them when
Yeah man, you must stop feeding me upon them folks. So anybody have to blame at him. That's something like that.
Eat a mango, man. Eat a mango.
I eat mango, brother.
Where you eat?
Fruits.
Fruits, brother. A woman go. Aye, woman
No,
go.
I eat a woman go. Fruits is brother. Fruits I'm eating, folks. Fruits. Jamaica style fruits. Nah, eat a mango. Fruits, but different is the folks. I want to shout out to them. I love and support and I want to read down the comment line soon when we get back my phone card. Not in session, it not work. It dead.
The day, guy, I want to tell you to say the day we bring the rump on the site, Corey gonna mash up him phone.
I just accident.
Oh God.
But differently, I get back a phone and read, but so my
No, another day there. No, the guys, the day at the after the party, Corey gonna mash up him phone kind drunk. Corey come and baby party called drunk.
You know what I say? I just had the enjoyments and the people, because they don't know sometimes they're in a party bigger than that and you know have the joy like
Yeah.
when you're there around certain people you trust or you love.
True.
So the joy in the party was a different joy.
They want to throw some steel now. Couple and more length of steel. Bungalow steel in the right side before yesterday evening and everything done off. Yeah.
Hush.
Hey, get tired of
I miss it, I miss it.
Oh, you're about to miss it, man. Guy, boy, like you want.
That means your future.
No, brother, I'm get that. The future is not born, the future not born. Soon still.
See that on the truck. You see the way they get that one, like right on the line one. Right, so it's passing through this steering and then this I will get problem. You understand? See I get problem. So guess what? What you need to do? Rather than you see it right here. Surprise I two in here, brother.
Alright guys, so right now the steel work basically complete, you know. So right now the municipal office can send in the inspector them to assess the thing and pass it, you know, so we can cast, you see it? Yeah man. But just before that, we're gonna make the electrician come sometime this week. You know, I have to go do some hardware run as well to buy the electrical stuff them, you know. Yeah, so you can run him piping and thing them and in the roof here, you know. Yeah man, so progress on top of progress, you see it? Yep. So right now, what them I put in, yeah, I want to call them, the chair them, separate the over supporters them call it from, we call it underneath one, the runner. So this is the chair right here, so separating it up the top from the bottom, basically. And then put in all them pieces of stone here to raise up the underneath one them from half of the decking. So when they done cast, you know, see the steel protrude through the concrete. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yep. Yeah man. The whole. So yeah man. You know, I'll sign it out from right here saying, guys, I don't know what the thing go. Subscribe, you know. Most importantly, guys. We need you to subscribe, guys, you see it. Yeah man, and share the video too. Share the video. Yeah man. Yeah, so guys, yeah man, so hit up the like button, guys. You know what I mean? Just stay tuned for more for another upload. You see it? So peace out, guys. We're out.